When you're doing business, it shouldn't have to feel like you're playing games. But when you've got apps on top of apps, and they're all sending people away from your business, you lose sight of your most important assets, your personal client relationships and your brand. When you use Curio, though, well, let's just say the way you do business starts to feel a lot better. See, Curio is something new. It's a social web-based platform that makes it super easy for your teams to interact with each other and clients and colleagues from all over the world. The kicker? All you have to do is plug Curio into your existing website to turn that website into a supercharged, super secure hub of collaboration that's uniquely branded for your business. So now, when your clients, partners, contractors, board members, whoever need to interact securely with you and your teams, that's where they go. And they'll see the relevant documents, meeting information, reports, and other assets and collaborative activities all here and all easily accessible. Plus, you can keep it all organized by group so that everyone only sees what they want or should see. That's how Curio is designed to be your single solution for managing all of your relationships. Get started today and discover one solution for one location, your location. Plug in Curio today.